Okay, so welcome back, and today we're going to start talking about graphing exponential functions. So let's review the characteristics of an exponential function. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to use the basic general case where we're going to assume a is 1. Okay, so we're going to use the function b to the x. Okay, the simplest exponential function. Okay, in its general form anyway. So a few things to note is the characteristics. So it is a one-to-one function. It has a horizontal asymptote at y equals 0, so the x-axis is the horizontal asymptote. The domain of the exponential function is negative infinity to positive infinity, as you can see from the graphs. The range goes from 0 to infinity. The x-intercept, there is no x-intercept. Why? Because the x-axis is the horizontal asymptote and it does not cross the horizontal asymptote. The y-intercept is at 0, 1. In fact, all exponential functions of this form always go through 0, 1. The function is increasing if the base, which is the b, so this is called the base. If the base is greater than 1, it's going to be an increasing function. If the base is between 0 and 1, it is a decreasing function. Okay, so those are the characteristics of an exponential function. Now, the other thing too to keep in mind is, and this is not in the textbook, but an exponential function of this form always goes through these 3 points. Obviously it's going to go through 0, 1, which is the y-intercept, but it also goes through 1 comma b and negative 1 comma 1 over b. So you can always plot these 3 points for any exponential function of this form. Okay? Now, to graph an exponential function, you're going to follow these steps. 1, you're going to create a table of points. So what does that mean? It means you're going to create a table of x and f of x. Okay? And for every x, let's say from -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? You're going to figure out what the corresponding value of f of x is. And then you're going to plot those, then you're going to pick 3 points. Now, these are the 3 points I would plot because these are easy. Okay? But you're going to take these lists and you're going to pick 3 points to plot. Okay? I typically just plot these 3 points. Once you plot these 3 points, then you just draw a nice smooth curve through those 3 points. Okay? Keeping in mind the characteristics, like the horizontal asymptote. Okay? And then, once you do that, then state the domain, the range, and the horizontal asymptote. And that's it. See you next time, and we'll do an example.